What's going on, my beautiful YouTube family? Today we're gonna do the 100 nugget challenge. And I don't think there's a time limit, is there? No time limit. Okay. And Tyler got some fries too, which he shouldn't have.
Just to like switch it up, because I think I'm gonna get a little bit tired of chicken nuggets.
You're gonna fill yourself up on.
So we got 100 nuggets right here.
Okay.
And some fries. For our sauce, we chose creamy sriracha. All right, and without further ado, we're just gonna jump right into it, my beautiful bastards. So.
Who are you? Can you feel it?
All right.
Okay.
You really jump right into it.
I love Wendy's nuggets. Kind of weird not looking at anything.
Look at yourself.
I'm not as vain as you. That's not my entertainment.
If you was watching somebody else do this, what would make it interesting?
I'd probably just do a time lapse.
These are good.
I used to work at Wendy's. I think this is my third one. I haven't been counting. We can do a counter, like on the screen or something, if you know how to do that.
So what is a mukbang?
It's just eating in front of the camera and talking.
You have to make it loud. Is it making loud noises when you eat? That'd be like. Oh, that's some good chicken nugget right here. A1 quality, crispiness on 10.
No.
I feel like I haven't made a dent in this bowl.
Well, mine only had 20 in it, I think, so.
And this is the only thing I've eaten today so far too, so I should have plenty of belly room.
I had like half of a breakfast burrito and some potatoes. And that was at like, it was like 7 hours ago, so.
Was it?
Like 10.
Maybe like 5.
How are you feeling?
Full.
What? No, you're lying.
Low key feeling full.
I'm gonna have to eat all these by myself.
As skinny as you are, you need them.
These are the gains. Think about the gains.
I need some water.
Heard? What was that? Don't do that.
No, just one more. Alright, last one. No, for real, last one. I'm gonna do it again. Last one. Alright, you can feel one more. You can feel. Promise. Look. You gonna make it spill it. We'll feel one more. It's not here. Oh my god. Eat the chicken nugget. I've been rejuvenated.
I hate you.
I thought this was gonna be a lot easier.
I didn't.
They eat it fast so that my brain doesn't know my stomach gets full. Strategy is not working.
I love chicken nuggets. What a wuss.
No. No, keep going.
It hit me like a brick wall.
Keep going. We didn't even come close yet. Keep going. Sit up. Alright, we'll start off like this. First one finishes their bowl first is the winner.
No, I'm in it to win it.
First one finishes this bowl first is the winner. I mean, oh, hold on, no, stop.
Oh man. I'm sweating. That bowl has 30 in it.
That's all?
Mm-hmm. We can do it. Oh my. I can't.
So right here we got 35 each.
Actually, I think you might have 30. And I had 20 in mine.
Then how does that have 30 in it?
It was 30, 30, 20. That's 60. Wait. I don't know. I don't know how much I put. Couldn't have been 30, 30.
No, it's impossible.
I don't know.
You said 30, 30, 20.
I won.
I said for whoever eats them first, not whoever puts them in their mouth first.
I'm having a problem. I'm having a problem.
I won. That's 2 bowls out the way. Ooh. Forget them fries. They ain't gonna touch. 1 bowl left. 1, 3, 4, 17,
18,
19,
20,
21,
22,
23,
24,
25,
26,
27,
28,
29,
30,
31,
32,
33,
34,
35,
36,
37,
38,
39,
40.
20 more each.
Can we take a... No, we can't take a breather because then it'll just make us more full, right?
You gotta ask him for some help.
No. That's bad. Bad for the puppy.
A fry? Why'd you stash the fry like that?
Okay, we can do it. Look, we got this far.
Try yourself.
No, don't put it near my mouth.
After this is over, I'm never gonna eat another chicken nugget again.
I'll eat another chicken nugget tomorrow. I love chicken nuggets.
Well, eat these now!
I'm so full.
How about 15 more?
I just finished 1.
15 more and I'm done.
How can you do that?
We're so close to the finish line.
Are we?
I just have 11 more. Like, if you think about it, that's not that many.
But it is when you had like 80. Maybe you haven't had 80, but you probably not. I have a headache. I'm sorry I failed you.
No, you have to eat those. Eat them. I'm doing my part, you do your part.
Your stomach is bigger than mine.
This is why our relationship is not equal.
Shut up.
I do more for our relationship than you do. It's proof for these nuggets. It's proof.
Annoying. Stop. I can't even argue right now. I'm sleepy. I got the itis.
Eat your nuggets.
What? What was
Eat
that?
your nuggets.
Y'all can't see right now, but there's a dog like right here. Like, drop the nugget.
It's like, oh. You can see his face. You can see his nose in the screen.
Oh yeah.
Like, oh, I want the fry. Ooh.
Oh.
Come on, eat.
Give me back, give me back, give me back.
Eat, eat, eat. 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 Eat, eat, eat.
At this point, they're like cold.
Stop complaining. Eat, eat, eat. Eat,
It does not make me want to eat anymore.
You got this, baby. Eat.
No, don't hit me.
How you say that in Japanese?
Tabete, tabete, tabete.
Tabete, tabete, tabete. Tabete, tabete, tabete. Tabete, tabete, tabete. Tabete, tabete, tabete.
That's not making it much better.
Tabete, eat. Tabete, eat. Tabete, eat. Tabete, eat. Tabete.
My mama got done one nugget.
60 more. I'm gonna go get some more water.
Okay, thank you. One down. You make some. Listen, I'm the one eating.
After you eat one, you can have some more.
I ate one.
Eat one more.
I'm hot. My mouth is dry. I don't feel good. Give me some water.
After you eat one, you can have some water.
Listen.
We got
You
water?
can't withhold water.
You go? You can't. This might be edited video. Failing the 100 chicken nugget challenge.
We did good though. I mean, for 2 people.
That's it. All right.
Let's see the final count.
You eat this one, please. Just one more.
No,
just one more. I'm gonna throw it.
No, I can't. Me too. Okay.
We can't leave this one just sitting in this direction.
One more. Okay. Oh man. Final count. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Wait. No, I still got 17.
She ate 3 since we split them up. I have 9. There's 9 left in my bowl.
Oh god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Is that 17?
Well, 17 plus 9 is what? 26? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, that's not bad. We got B minus. B?
We in the C's. We had 70.
Yeah.
74.
Oh, 74, yeah.
We had 74.
We passed.
Anyway, thank you for watching. Everybody have a beautiful day. Stay your beautiful best. And work so your performance destroys your ambition. Project.
Don't shut my stomach.
Oh, Tyler, I wish I could help you do the 100 nugget challenge. I want to help. Can I have another one?
I'ma leave they feelings hurting. Ay, windows down on purpose, hanging out the window swerving. Baby, snap.